So this is it. So ganito siya. Good morning. Foggy in summer, by the way. So we'll stay outside kasi malamig pa. You see? Misty. All the clouds. Until Hi guys, second day in Lithuania.
I can bring the hat here.
Those Sarah's
I sent a picture to my brother of this. Mira, this pond is artificial, no?
Yeah.
They made it.
This hill is from the artificial lake. It must.
Look, the children biking alone from.
It's the vlogging time.
Yes. In Obili.
100 meters.
We're going to
Wow.
Sarah's
Nice church. This is the council.
Yeah. This is their downtown area. Downtown na nila.
Letters coming for the car race.
Yeah, another car.
Another car of
They are
car
really-
race.
They are really
It's over there.
See
Cows. Wow.
Hi.
Hi, cows.
Tapos ito man na balay.
This is the
And
first
the
friend,
best-
the house
best-
of the best friend of Baidas.
Yeah.
Yes.
There is a firefighter too.
No, he's alone. And he's single. He never been married.
Looking for a wife still?
He works in Norway, so he
Soviet Union time?
ini bang house mo pa yan.
Yeah,
It's
so
modern.
beautiful. Look.
His mother.
Wow, living in that house. Imagine. Imagine all the people.
Sácate la mano de la boca nada más. The
Like,
base floor.
wow.
And he boom broke
Enjoy the
the
greenery.
the doors, you know, and hit inside strongly.
Very pretty. All this
Mira,
way.
a lake,
Now it's
no?
green.
It's not a lake there.
I think a lake.
It's a river.
A river.
Yeah, but-
It's like Jitido in Geneva Cell.
Yeah.
Wow.
Tourist, pero di rin it
We are going to come back. Yeah,
No,
pero
no,
Cecile,
this is
we
not
need
the
to
entrance.
wait
We
for-
cannot go. Emilio,
we-
we cannot go. It's stopped.
No, I was doing this for you because we.
Okay, let's go now. Oh, Sarah side, the bridge over there.
So we can park here.
Here,
Yeah.
in this place.
Yes.
Wow. You
Here,
come to
pero
Sarah
it's
side.
going
It's
to be
such a
full.
nice
No, there is a
place.
place. It's free.
Yes.
Yes, free parking over here. Yeah.
There's one. That's good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Good.
Thank God. Thank God now. Thank me.
All right. We are now in Sarasai, and it's so pretty. Like, wow, amazing. I'll show you around. Diba ganda? Wow, the lake over there. And then there, yeah. We can ride a boat on the. Yes, let's go take that boat. And then look, there's a boat over there. You see? Don't know. There, that one, and we can ride on that. And then
Pero what right? This is too big. No, I
see?
want one for us.
That's where the parking lot. Diyan kami nag-park. And then this is the. Look at that. It's so pretty. So may bridge siya where you can walk around. And then from the parking, you can have martini. Oh, look at
We
that.
drink martini here. I think one glass is €8.
Oh, that's not expensive. Look, there's a picture of pizza over there, so you can have it.
Daniel, ¿tú quieres pizza?
You change man pizza to.
Mírame. ¿Qué te pasa?
So, diba? So, the lake is very big. Ang laki niya. Tapos, look at that.
Madrid.
Sarasai. And her there. Mga kasama ko. Zarasai. Yung my sister and my. Okay, so let's walk. Tingnan natin what view we can see from the
most tourists here are Russian.
Really? So, from Kaliningrad.
Careful, no me voy a tirar, ¿no? ¡Yúpale!
So, look at that. Look, there's the water park over there. Where that Chitaju was. Like, diba? Singin yung bridge, oh. Look. That's yung kapatid ko. Yes, that's it. So, guys, it's so pretty. Look. Is this Lithuania? Zarasai. Zarasai, Lithuania. Okay, paulit-ulit. But, pumunta kayo dito. Enjoy nyo ang nature kasi grabe ang ganda.
Allá caigo en el water.
Tapos yan. Ah, ganda no?
Eso es más hoja que agua.
Tapos meron silang mga nag-start na silang mga ganito.
The Jack, din namon ginlabo ganamon nga ni kanan wedding bouquet.
Ah, why?
No, kay din kami first nga nag-date. So,
But you throw it away?
yeah,
Oh,
for the swan.
for this one?
Oye,
Ah, look.
Yeah?
¿alguien tiene?
Yes.
This is you.
Oh, for you. I don't have coins.
Ah, okay. No pasa nada.
That's it guys. Pakita ko later kung anong meron. But this is it now. Maliligo kami dito sa lake na to. Punta kami dun sa water park na yun para may activity. And yeah.
Kiritaon. Dili kaya na una na. Sobra.
Ah, so from here sa this bridge, ano ka, ang bilis ko no. So, ito yung bababa ka na sa bridge. Look. Very good. There. Yan, pababa. Tapos, oh my gosh. See? Ang saya nila. Oh, here they are.
Water lily ito.
Yes, water lily. The water lily.
Dale uno.
Yep. And then, look at that. It's the lake. But, maliligo kami hindi sa side na to. Dun kami sa other side. Kain muna. Labas! Hi is labas. So, yan. You greet people. Nice. The view. Huh? Oh yeah, the fountain. There you are.
Daniel, see fountain?
Yeah.
See? Yeah. Water.
Smile! It's the bridge. There's a grocery store for your lunch, but we choose this kebab over here. Look. Price of kebab is 7 euros each. How much is it in peso? That's, I don't know. And then 7 times 65. Do the math. And then there's a pizza place over there. And the pizza like this, I'll show you, is 9.50 euros. It's pepperoni pizza. And after this, we're taking our food for lunch. Oopsie. It's a lot.
Maybe this is
A lot of cherries.
because the bird don't eat when it's very sour. Maybe
We can go there in the same. But my question is, down there we cannot go away.
Yes. Right. So guys, we are here now at Sarasai Nahulog Beach. Let me pick it up. I have pizza here, the traditional cake, water, my bag, because I didn't bring a bag, so my bag is plastic bag. So we're staying here at this beach, and ang araw, ang sinag ng araw, which is good kasi malamig ang simoy ng hangin. But look at that, the inflatables. Yeah, and there. See, and people. So another inflatable here in Zarasay, and there meron silang volleyball kind of. Tapos andun yung mga makikita nyo dun yung mga camping, parang camping ba yan? Basta 75 per day ang rent. Parang cabin pala siya, cabin where you can sleep and stay the whole day and pay 75, but di mo na kami punta doon because we're going to eat this here, this side, shade, and later punta kami doon. Look, there's water, surfing over there. Like surfing, water surfing, and rafting. Thing up, and
Okay.
our food over here. Look, this is no kebab,
Very nice.
and they're sitting up the place. Sell your kebab. Look, this is for you and David.
Thank you.
Let's eat kebab. Where is you? You took the spicy one?
No, spicy and garlic.
No, no, was fine. So we are at Sarasay Beach. This is free. Free naman siya. But to use the inflatables, I think you have to pay, so we're checking out how much. Look, there's another. That is the inflatable. So we'll check the price kung magkano. How much is the inflatables?
This is 12.
And this is 12 euros. These inflatables where you can have some activities.
12.
Yuck. It's how much? Nakita.
12.
12 euros for Kaina. With such rent is 3 euros.
Tapos
And this one,
10. Ato man.
this inflatable is 10 euros.
Yeah, with swimming pool inside.
And swimming pool. And this one is
10 also.
10 also. But this is for the day, right?
No.
It's every hour. It's every session. It's like 1 hour. No, it's every 50 minutes only. So this one is 50 minutes too.
The same.
And this one, yes. So the price is 12 euros for 50 minutes. Over this one. This one is 10. And that is
Another 10.
another 10. In real life, this is how this. That's it. That's the 12 euros. This is the 10. Another 10 euros. And over there, another 10 euros every 50 minutes.
Bridge.
Yes. So we'll walk around. I think this is the best place to stay in summer kasi Europe is very hot. My Italian friends told me that
Yes, most of the houses here are all Airbnb.
yes, And you can stay next to the lake because they are all Airbnbs. And it's very nice place. Peaceful because it's not touristy Asia level yet.
Yeah, it's still European.
Still the northern side of Europe, but so you have a place, you can have your place on your own, but it's so convenient because they have their own place to stay, restaurants, activities, and you see, and they have walkways. We'll walk and then nature.
Yes, there's actually huge forest in this area.
This one. This forest, huge one. And
Di pala kami ang front. Wala pa kami
hindi pa kami nakakaikot pero pwede na. Look at that. So this is for 50 minutes. 10 years.
Oh my gosh, I can see Boon Boon over there.
Yeah, Boon! Come here, Boon. I will give you 10 euros, Boon. Come. And while the parents are waiting. Yeah. Wow! And then look at the lake and the forest over there. This place has its own basketball court. You can see, free lang yan. That's for free. And then this one, baseball. Beach volleyball. Baseball. Ano lang, ignorante. Kapasensyahan nyo na. Not sporty ang lola. So, yan yung mga cabin for 75 euros per night. I think it depends, no?
Yeah, for summer 75. Not summer, I think only 40.
40 years when it's not summer.
When it's not season.
But summer, winter is nice too. Kasi di ba pag winter, tapos lake,
Yeah, it's like snow.
it's like
No, snow talaga. Nag-snow talaga.
so that's lake, right?
They can skate
Ano
here.
nga?
Skating.
Yeah. Yes, ice skating here. Nagiging ice skate rink ata yan. Hindi ko pa sure. Di pa ako nakapunta dito. First time ko. Nag-assume lang. But,
See, there's a restaurant. We can have martini over there.
tapos dito,
Kaso puno.
yes. Look. You can have martini. Still wala kalagi slippers.
That's okay.
Ay, sabagay, woodman. Dire mapason. And then the cabins will show you around yung malapitan na cabin. But of course, we can't show you inside because we didn't rent. Look there.
Yeah, for...
Children's area for them to play. Is it for free?
I think, yeah.
Yeah. Wow, they can do that. And look, that's
Yeah, it's actually 2 beds. Like,
two beds inside.
Yeah. Tapos may the toilet nito. Katapusan.
Yes, at the back toilet. So you can rent this one while you are here. So you can make it your private change. You can take a nap. And of course, martini. Martini in the rocks. But martini is strong, no?
Yes, it's
Still, they have iced coffee. But I didn't bring my phone and I
Me
didn't.
too, I don't have a card and cash.
They have iced coffee. May nakita ko, but I don't have anything. I have tissue
It's
paper.
Island Cafe.
I have tissue paper.
Me too, and kebab.
And kebab.
So big, I cannot finish.
So we cannot buy iced coffee. We are very sick. So meron silang iced coffee.
Ay, wala, may ito mga ano.
And then
Order gaya ito.
And then- some of the sexy people over here.
Ice cream.
Ala, they have ice cream. Hindi. One scoop for 250. Yung 2 scoop nila for euros. Okay na rin.
Oh, they accept card.
And they accept card. Where we bought the kebab, no cash only. Really? Iced coffee?
Puree. See. Hot cocoa, 3 euro.
Gin tonic, 8 euros.
Cocktails. Oh, cocktails. Mas barato man eh.
Look at that.
Tawag ito?
So, we were just talking about na here, you can walk barely, yeah, almost naked and nobody cares. Totally. Kami lang, kasi kami yung
Kami lang ang nagkikare.
kami lang ang nagkikare. But, I mean, we don't care, pero kami lang ang nakikitingin sa katawan nila, sila, they don't care.
Yeah.
You see? The families are here. In family area. The place is very nice. This is Sarasai.
Yes, most tourists here are people from Sweden, Finland, because it's cold there, but not hot. I don't know. Maybe the weather is near, closer, closer higher ba?
Yeah. So, I
So they
think because
prefer
they are
here.
from the north, they don't want it really hot like Spain, so they come here. Because it's right now when the sun is hitting, it's giving me some, and
it's windy. The wind is cold anyway, so
Yeah.
it's balancing.
yes. And fun fact, we came to swim bath. We didn't bring a sunscreen.
Very nice.
Very prepared
And also hot.
and hot, but we have chips and glasses. Mine, I don't know her. Mine is only 150 euros.
Mine, I think this is still from Qatar. 10 reals.
That's more expensive because 10 reals is 250 euros.
yeah.
Mine is 150 euros. Yes. But how, I don't know how
Yeah,
we can be under the sun without any protection.
Oh my god, they are so excited to swim already.
Yeah. And our little people over there
Are so
are
excited.
very excited. But this is guys Sarasai. Come to Lithuania, to Sarasai.
And hopefully you can stay in my place.
You can stay in her place for free, imagine. You just have to drive because her husband is working, so no one will drive for you.
Yeah.
And she doesn't know how to drive, so either you walk, which is quite long, 25 kilometers only. Yes. For us, it's 12 euros per each, and if you want a wetsuit for 3 euros. We want to rent, and now they're putting on their life jacket is free.
What time
So,
now to that?
now it's 3:31. We'll start at 4-hour session. We can go there because I have to leave my phone and the camera because we cannot take camera there. It will get wet. So hindi namin kayo mapapasama-sasama doon kasi ang camera naman is not. Ang init. Hindi siya waterproof. So I cannot take it to the activity. But if you come, you'll sure enjoy it. And we'll let you know kung mag-enjoy kami. Adventure over there. That one. You thought it's easy, but it was very difficult. Nahulog lang na kakatakot, or it's just being old. But it was very, very nice experience. When you come to Sarasai, you should try that one. That one. This. Look at that. And this one, actually, if you buy that one and you don't finish your time, you can use this one too. You finish your time over here. See? But this is the lake, and I'll show you. That's sa Geneva, ang pangalan niya is Jet d'Eau. Dito, I don't know, but it's a water fountain in the lake. So bye, Sarasai. See you tomorrow, I think, or the next day before we go back to Spain again. And that's the parking lot. Nice houses. The driveway is very beautiful. Imagine in autumn. It's so pretty. Wow. Then, yeah, that's. Oh my gosh, we have to inform Vidas that we're coming here.
Midas is going to say, oh no!
No, they're coming.
The new Jackie's family. The new Cecilia's family.
The tree is so pretty.
Don't damage this room. Somebody owns this room already, okay?
Don't touch this scooter style.
Ignalinos, this is region already.
Oh, it's so pretty. Wow, the nature. It's a wow.
Mira, 70.
Ignalina
You see
Vilnius.
70. I am going to reduce straight away.
Vilnius. We're going to Vilnius and change the speed to 70.
Yes.
Because we are not Lithuanians, so we have to be careful.
Visaganos 5.
Visaganos.
Oh, we're going here.
Hey, Emilio!
Pero you
City of Ignalina. Visaganos. I'm so wrong.
oh my goodness.
The city of
Visaganos.
Visaganos, region of Ignalina. And that's
Country,
I think this is
building.
Soviet Union
Yes,
kind of building. Yes, typical one. Is this a hospital? And then there are arts over there. But they have woods inside the city.
Yeah, because it's planned.
So they are
It's planned.
living from.
There is also like in
They
the
smell
side of the
fresh.
The cities doesn't grow.
Here.
They plant the city and they build the whole city. This is because they have big avenues, parks, schools, all separated and well organized.
Yeah, and there's even lake there. Tijak, oh, damot nagka-camping.
Wow.
Oh wow, the lake!
If we can go there in our way back, we can stop, no?
See, inflatable also.
Eh?
Yeah, they have
Yeah,
inflatable.
it's very nice lake. We were here. Because
When?
we swim. We swim in all the lake.
Parque, más trampolín.
Pero is a place to swim
Wow,
there?
there's another place
We
to
can
swim.
stop here in our way
Yeah,
back.
but there's more people I think than Sarasay. Look at them. Wow, that's a lot
Mira,
of
big
people.
avenues. Big avenues. Wow, is there?
Mall
Yeah.
here.
We
So
can buy
this is-
drogas.
It's a big
Mira,
city.
ergo. A Swedish
Bank.
bank.
Swedish bank. So that means there are. Oh, it's a nice city. There. Oh, I see a lot of people.
Yes, there's
So this is not a village life. This is. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of people that I see over there.
Yeah, is the.
I-
tourists.
Wow, we are. Mira, leader! A leader!
Wow.
We are total tourists now.
So this is it. The city.
This
We're
is
just
it.
passing by. Hindi
Ito
kami,
nga daw.
hindi kami mag-stay.
Bagat street, walking street.
Yes. Boulevard.
Yeah, look.
And this is Soviet Union building. I think, yeah?
Mm.
It's not,
Those clearly.
we're just passing
Like the
by.
squares.
Kasi punta kaming power
You see,
plant.
you see how the city is so well organized?
Yeah.
It's because it's pre-planned.
Ah.
The city doesn't grow. They build it as a whole.
So see, this is
This
very
is
organized
the
with
typical
numbering.
Soviet building.
Yes.
It's typical. One,
Typical
the
Soviet
other,
Union building.
the other, all
This
the
is
same.
biblioteca. Biblioteca.
Mira, biblioteca.
Oh yes, same word. It's a library. And then
Mira,
yes, it's a
you see the big avenue?
it's a city,
With trees, with everything.
organized city.
Ito man mga trees nga
It is,
na as in super good.
These are just the remnant of Soviet Union era. No? See?
Picture here, por favor, eh?
Ignalinos Atomine
I want a picture here.
Electrini.
Smiling like I'm a radioactive, okay?
Okay. Smiling.
Yes, that one.
That
We're
way.
going.
Okay.
We'll show you later kung anong meron doon.
Amy, I'm going to do myself a selfie. You don't understand this.
And may kasama kaming magsi-selfie over there.
Napaka-enthus. into yes,
Yan.
into yes.
Anybody else wants a picture?
Nandito na kami sa Ignalina's water, ano ba ito? Power plant.
Nuclear power.
Nuclear power plant. Nuclear. The biggest in the world.
Save the commission.
Bueno, no, not is the biggest in the world.
By the European
No, it's not the...
No,
Wait. Save the Commission is co-financed by European Union under the Ignalina program. Save the Commissioning is co-financed.
Claro.
So there are some people working over here.
Claro, es que the commission take years.
Really?
Yes, and it's quite expensive because it's a city. And they need to dismantle the reactors.
They need to how long it would take them to finish the...
Maybe 8 years.
How many years?
8 or 10 years.
8 years?
Yes.
When did this stop?
Part of the cost of the plan is to dismantle the plant.
They have to dismantle. They will dismantle this?
Yes.
Oh, really? They're just wasting money, no?
They made money already.
Ignalina water plant, power plant. But they stopped this for ano daw. Kasi nasa fault line siya at the same time. Ano ba yun? Ang reason? Kasama ko kasi nerd. So in electrical engineer. So this thing interests them a lot. Interests them. Kapoy yun. Kaya, and he explained na in-stop siya kasi because of Chernobyl. This technology is the same as Chernobyl power plant, you know, in Ukraine, and any accident can blow up the whole Europe. Kaya the decommissioning is funded by Europe. Probably Europe. Ang iniwasan daw nila is maging same as Fukushima sa Japan. Kalimutan ko na yan. So same na accident. That's why they stopped this. But there are still some people working here kasi nga i-dismantle to, and it would take years or decade to finish. And some nerd people as well looking around. Sobrang laki nito pag tiningnan nyo sa maps. Check nyo, Ignalina power plant. Sa likod nito, sa likod ng mga building na to doon, napakalaking lake. Kasi ang mga power plant, they have to be next to the river, malaking river, sea, or malaking lake. Kailangan malaki. Kasi they have to generate parang mag-overheat para I don't know kung paano yun. Tapos i-release yun sa water. So, pag malit lang yung body of water, mamamatay lahat ng species dun. So, kailangan, requirement talaga ng lahat ng power plant sa malaking body of water. O, di ba, nag-explain ang hindi engineer. If my explanation is not that accurate, you know better. And, guys, this everything, I mean, we don't see it from here outside, but it's almost like a very big city after this building. And by 2035, this will look like a forest. Everything will be removed. So the guy explained to us that last year, in May, they removed a very big building over there. And it's totally gone, like nothing. You won't see anything, but there was a big building, bigger than this. So, if you are an engineer and you want to see this plant before it gets back to its, I don't know, kung anong original niya before, which is the forest, you should come at least next year. Because by 2035, it's back as forest. All these buildings, everything that you see here, everything that I see now as well, wala na siya. So, come visit before, early as early as you can, because 2035 forest na siya. So, like yung isang malaking building na wala na, tas ngayon may mga puno na siya. this year lang siya sinira. So, mag-start na talaga. Probably this will be the last building kasi dyan sila nag-o-office yung decommissioning. Tapos, ito rin ata yung sa harap ko. Andyan yung history. They'll explain to you everything. And I feel really bad kasi bakit nila tatanggalin lahat. But my sister explained to me as she studied engineering that all power plants are like that. When you cannot sustain anymore, you have to return to its original state. Yes. This is what we can see from outside. Yan lang yan. Yung yan reactor. Yung malaking yan. That's a reactor. Pero guys, wag niyong pa-explain sa akin kung anong reactor, anong neuron. Nakalimutan ko na, sorry. I forgot science. This is another reactor. And this is one bonus. Tapos, grabe yung ano niya. Grabe yung enthusiasm. Kasi electrical engineer siya. So this is, because this is a power plant. It generates energy. Electricity. Kaya ano. Pero, can you imagine, this will be removed. Everything. By 2035, this will be a forest. It will be back to its original state, which is a forest. Kahit yung mga building na yan. Kasi yan yung offices ata ng mga nag-work. Tapos dito, everything will be removed. Tapos welcome to Ignali Power Plant. We're going back from Ignali na pabalik na kami. So either babalik kami ng Sobati para masulit ang second day here in Lithuania. Or punta kami somewhere para maligo ulit. But hindi na ako maliligo kasi nakakatamad hindi naman nakakatamad, masarap actually, but gusto ko magkape sa Lithuania. The Bisiganay from the electric power plant. And we saw a party like this. And so many people. Over there. And alam niyo kung saan kami papunta? We're going to the lake. Another lake. So yesterday, Subati Lake. This morning, Sarasay. Now, Bisiganay Lake. Right. This is a lake in the city. It's a park, it's a lake. Wow. So they're very excited na. Again to swim. Ang mga batang to na hindi napapagod maligo sa water. Oh, there's a water slide. And it's free! Wait, you don't need to pay. Kasi sa Sarasay may bayad siya. Parang yun nga, the inflatables. But this one is free, for free. Yes. Yeah, there's water. Look at that.
You need to pour water inside, not even light.
So pretty. Look. Meron silang activity. Wow. Grabing dami lang lake. So this is Visaginas, the city of Visaginas. This lake is just changing rooms. And there, the party's over there. So now, go back. Tingnan natin ang lake up close. Meron silang boardwalk. It's so nice. And over there too. Hi. But I won't swim anymore. Because it's almost 7 o'clock now. My body is not for the cold. Not today. Guys, look at this. Do you see the forest? So pretty. That's what he wants. He wants to fall down.
Mira, me cae.
Ay, wag niya. So guys, may lumapit sa amin. Tapos tinanong kung galing daw ba kaming Chan. Kung Jackie Chan. Parang siguro. Because he doesn't really speak good I think English. Sabi nila Jackie Chan. Ako Chinese, sabi ko we're Philippines. Tapos sabi niya we're very very pretty. Ano daw. Ganda-ganda daw namin. Sana Yan lang sila nakakita. Si sa labas kami ng main city. So ngayon lang sila nakakita ng mga brown. So ang ganda-ganda daw namin. Wow. Wow, kaya lang di kaya ng Looks like it's flying. Wow. What sport is that, Sil? Wow. I don't know what. Wow, the forest is very nice. Look at that. This is. Sil, what's the name of the city again? Visiganos. And this is called Lake Visiganos too. And they are doing some sports over there. It's a very big lake. And sunset is here. Tapos, I think that's it for today. That's the end. Right. That's it for today. That's the end of our second day. See? Here in Lithuania. See you in our third day. Buyers! Sayang, ulit ko pa video.
So you are really
I don't like this. I don't know it's deep enough.
Yes, it is deep.
It is deep.
How do you know?
We saw people
Because there
jumping.
you can see. But here, what a style.
Ahora no, ahora no. Ahora no. Wow.
Está muy buena, está muy bien.
You think you said he has no balls?
Ya sabía yo. Está muy alto. ¿Qué tal?
Muy bien.
there's no fog. Fog. Wow, fog.
Well, it's nice, but not too much.